Alright guys, so today I'm reviewing this application called Ghiblli, and it's a Ghiblli with a double L. So you've seen those Ghiblli images, right? So if you go to, I'm going to do this experiment, go to images.google.com and write Ghiblli. You've seen this all over the place. Yes, images in this style, ChatGPT just really made it totally insane. I really can't get over 1 hour. If I'm on social media, I can't scroll for 10 minutes without seeing an image like this. Yeah, that's how popular they are. Well, the software Ghiblli actually does this and more, because you can create images and also videos using this application. So let's give it a try and see the true capabilities. Let's call it let's give it a workspace name. The first thing you see when you come to the software is create a workspace. Let's call it plants growth, something like that. Click on create workspace. All right, done. So these are the different styles in which you can create or you can transform your images. The Ghiblli style 1, Ghiblli style 2, Ghiblli style 3, Ghiblli style 4. So all of these 4 different kinds. I see subtle differences, right? There is more detail on this one. This one is more solid colors, brighter colors, not really looking sepia like this one. This is got less detail but sepia, and I think this is looking more airbrushed, kind of like more photorealistic. So 5 different Ghiblli styles, right? Then you can create AI images, you can create fashion images. I guess that means you can change people's dresses. We'll take a look there. You can remove backgrounds, generate faces. Okay, so this person has a dress, and okay, I think the dress also changed, and upscale the revolution, right? These are the things. There are more. So let's see, view all. Ghiblli arts. Okay, so I haven't created anything, so more will just lead to my images, which I have not got any. Ghiblli art, Ghiblli shorts. It can do action figures too. I'm sure you've seen those in the social media too. Then you have AI image gen, fashion, background remover, super resolution, magic mix. Okay, so blending 2 images. You have relight, improve the lighting. Multi-view, so same product or same object from multiple angles. Logos, create deep fakes, right? That's like face, changing the face. Images to image, so transform one image with AI. And then finally stock images, so it's got stock images too. Let's take a look. Let's get something done, right? So here I am, Ghiblli style. Let's do that. Select, click on select. You can change the styles from there too, and you got it. Drop an image. Let me just get an image from my computer. Click on this. I think, yeah, it should work, right? Okay, so I'll just find some photographs. Social media. How about this one? Yeah, this one, I took it last year. Click on generate. Okay, so this is a little bit less than flattering. Honestly, I look 80 years old in this. This is funny. Okay, did I prompt it in any way to make me older? I'm not so sure, but let's take a look at my image. Wow, I was a little taken aback here. Look at this. This was the original image. Okay, I don't think I look so old, but it did retain the pose. Yeah, it did retain the pose and all the expression. I'm thinking about something. I think it's a good image. Maybe 20 years later down the line, I would like to get an image like this, and you can download this. Okay, whimsical nature. So this is the prompt that it created. The artist is Hayao Miyazaki, right? Let's try another style. Ghiblli style 1, and I really want to change the image this time. This one is better. Let's try this one, and I will show you the results in a second. Takes about 10 seconds to generate that image. All right, I really like this one better. Let's see, I did retain my amazing biceps, looking fit and handsome in here. I totally think this is great. Pretty much the same prompt. Yeah, I think it changed the prompt, soft pastel colors. And here we have also got a similar prompt, but yeah, this image is looking so much better, and I think this is a great image. Let's try another style. This one, Ghiblli style 2. I'm going to use the same image just to figure out how it works, how it looks different. Alright, check this image out. I think it's more intense, more shadowy, and yeah, there is quite a change in the image quality. Look at the background. It really, okay, let's enlarge it. The background area looks pretty realistic, right? Nearly realistic, and the front is more intense, and I have a nice mustache now. I really like this mustache. I think and the biceps are bigger. Yeah, I like this style too. This is good. All right, let's try another one. This time Ghibli style 3, the same image. Here we go. Boom. All right, this time I got a broken image. Didn't work. Let's try one more time, and we will move to the next style. Select style, Ghibli 4. Let's see what happens. And I think it came out pretty clean too. Yeah, it looks, the image below and above, they look pretty similar. I think the image above has a narrower chin. What else? So I've seen Ghibli. You can do also sketches, zombie style, anime 1, anime 2, cyberpunk, Christmas, lots of Christmas styles. Stained glass, clay portrait, Fallout, GTA, game art, illustration, 3D cartoons, fairy tale, cartoon self, concept art, Barbie, Ken, 3D cartoon, an American comic, fashion, kawaii, baby filter, be young, be old, toon vibes. So lots of different ways you can modify the images. I want to try cyberpunk. Let's see what it does. Please upload an image. There was an error there. Here we go. Boom. So this is the cyberpunk version of that image. I like it. Alright, so let's move on. You know what Ghibli art does now? It's not just Ghibli, actually. They have a number of different art forms, even fantasy cartoon, claymation. I would love to show you all of them, but I think it'll take too much time, so I'm going to move on. Ghibli shorts, or let's go for action figures. Let's see what happens here. So superhero, okay, superhero is fine. Title, Shadow Striker, Batman. All right, fight to the end. Well, that's corny, but okay. Gender, funny and fierce. Yeah, let's see how that works. So I thought you would be uploading an image, but it seems not. It seems that it'll just create a random action figure based on the input I gave it. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I don't know if it's based on any of my images or not. I don't think so, but this guy looks Indian, and I think it might have been influenced by my image. I'm not so sure, but look at this. It's got a Superman logo. I asked for Batman. Okay, interesting. There are legs here. There's a bag, satchel. All right, so you can make action figures with this. I don't know why you would like to do that, but you can. All right, Ghibli shorts. Back to Ghibli shorts. You've got two systems, two ways: Talking Studio and merge videos. Let's try Talking Studio, and I can put up an image. I will use this. Yep, very intense guy. I love this. Hi, do you want to have dinner with me? Let's see what happens. Artist, gender, male artist, and you have voices.
Welcome to the future where imagine.
Oh, I don't imagine this guy speaking like this.
Welcome to the future where imagination comes.
Welcome to the future.
Welcome to the future.
All right, this guy will do. I'll be wood. So there are lots of different voices, and you can clone voices too. I clicked on generate. I think it'll take some time. I'll pause and come back. Okay, so it kind of refreshed, but I don't see the results. So I'm gonna go to my arts and go to Ghibli shorts. So it says you haven't created anything, but I did try to create something. Was it because I don't have any credits? I don't know for sure, but I will try one more time. I'll try one more time. This time this image. Okay, let's go for this male artist.
Welcome to the future where imagination comes to. Your visuals now speak and connect like never before.
Okay, so the same thing happened. I didn't get an error, but I don't see the short. Yeah, it says Ghibli short one. Okay, it is a video here.
Hi, how are you? Would you like to buy some real estate? Hi, how are you? Would you like to buy some real estate? Hi, how are you? Would you like to buy some real estate?
I don't think that's bad at all. It's pretty good, yeah? I like it.
Hi, how are you? Would you like to buy some real estate?
I think it's pretty good. So this is what the Ghibli Shorts can do. We have already seen AI art. It was a part of the Ghibli art. You can do fashion also. Okay, so there was image gen, there is fashion. Let's try one of these things. Fashion. So you have to upload a cloth image. Honestly, I don't have a cloth. Background remover, let's try that instead. And yeah. Okay, image URL generate. Let's see if it just does it all by itself. Okay, so it did remove the background. You can see here, it's just me. Now the background's gone, so that tool's working too. So yeah, AI art has all these different things: background remover, face generation, super resolution, right? And in graphics, I don't know if I checked it earlier or not, you can create a new graphic. All right, so this is like a template collection, so you can create all these templates, right? These are like website templates, so image templates, so you can modify the text and you can have a version of that image. So this is what Ghibli does. So it's not just Ghibli art, it's Ghibli art and some other stuff too, some other tools too. It's a AI and graphics generator. It lets you create images, it lets you create graphics. That's what the tool does. And if you like the tool, remember you need to buy this from me. Why? Because then I can give you access to the tools that I have created, and I have a lot of great tools. You're looking at, this is my current offers. These are my current tools: Cloud Funnels, Course Funnels, Shop Funnels, TubeRank, Jeet, Livecaster, lots of good tools. Video is a video creation AI. I have a lot of amazing tools, and you can grab them if you get this tool from me. And we actually do a great job of updating our tools. We always put new facilities in them. And if you are part of my Facebook group, it's called Technique Force Winners. It's on Facebook. I'm gonna go to it just now. Facebook's a little bit slow. You will see that we release new versions of our software all the time. New versions, right? And lots of good stuff is in here, right? So you should definitely be a part of this group if you need to. Like, we just launched Cloud Funnels new version on April 15th. It's a great new version, lots of amazing changes, right? That's what we do. We create a lot of great tools, and if you buy Ghibli from me, you can get those tools free. So if you decide to get Ghibli, I will see you inside. This is Cyril Gupta, your best friend in the business, signing off.